In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a map into Notion using AI. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be able to quickly drop an interactive map right into your Notion workspace, so you can reference locations, plan trips, or organize place-based information without ever leaving your page. Let's start from the very beginning. First, open Notion and create a new page. You can do this from the sidebar by choosing to add a new page, or from within an existing workspace by selecting the option to create a fresh page. Give your page a clear name so you'll remember what the map is for, such as travel planning, client locations, or local favorites. Naming it upfront will help keep your workspace organized as you start adding more content and embeds. Once your new page is open, click into the main body area where you would normally start typing notes. This is where we'll add the map block. In Notion, a really fast way to add special blocks is by using / commands. So instead of searching through menus, simply type a / followed by the word embed. As you start typing, Notion will show you options related to embedding content. Choose the embed option that appears. This tells Notion that you want to insert an embedded element, such as a map, video, or interactive tool, directly into the page. Now that the embed block is ready, Notion will prompt you for a link. This is where your map comes in. Open your preferred map tool in another tab or window. This could be a map generated with the help of an AI assistant or a custom map view you've already prepared. Make sure the map shows exactly what you want to display in Notion, such as a specific address, a city overview, or a saved list of locations. Copy the shareable link for that map. Return to your Notion page, click into the embed field, and paste the link you just copied. After you paste it, confirm or press enter. Notion will load the content and display your map as an embedded, interactive frame right inside the page. Give it a moment to render fully. Once it appears, you can resize the embed by dragging its edges to make it fit better with the rest of your content. At this point, your map is live in Notion. You can scroll, zoom, and interact with it directly on the page, keeping all your location-based information connected to your notes, plans, and databases.